Hello, I am Patty Brown, and I am the proud owner of a Hotspring Spa Pulse model. We've owned our spa since about May, so only a few months, but we've already enjoyed it, even though we're in the summer hot months. We use our spa at least 2 nights a week, sometimes more according to the weather right now. It's hot, so I'm looking forward to fall and winter when we can enjoy it and appreciate it even more. The reason we chose the Pulse model from Hotspring Spa is because of the economical abilities of it, the freshwater system. We had been told by a lot of people that the freshwater system was the best way to go, so we took their advice and sought one out. It's really hard for me to choose a favorite seat because with the Pulse model, all of the seats do different things. So you can get a different type of back massage in each seat as far as location, whether it massages your shoulders or your upper back or your lower back. You can move around and get a total massage. And while you're sitting there, one of my favorite things about the Pulse model is that you get a foot massage no matter where you're sitting. My husband and I decided to go with the Hotspring Spa Pulse model, mainly because of its size. Our grandkids and kids can all come over. We can all enjoy the hot tub. We didn't do the lounger so that we could all use it at the same time. We've been very happy with that so far. We like the freshwater system about it, and we did a lot of research on hot tubs before we agreed to buy one, and decided that we really liked the Hot Springs model, Hot Springs collection. We chose to buy from American Pool and Spa because they're a local business, and it makes it easier for us as far as getting any types of supplies that we may need, maintenance on if we have any questions, if we need our water tested. Everything is just easy access for us. The process that we went through at American Pool and Spa when we were buying it was, the easiest word to say is, it was easy. There was no complications involved. Cody was great at explaining all of the products and getting us to understand the differences between all of them and making our choice very easy. Our spa is very easy to maintain and clean. It is a freshwater system. That makes it easier in itself. You have to test the water once a week. A lot of times you don't even have to add any chemicals or do anything to it at all, as long as you keep an eye on it. It's my understanding if it was not a freshwater system, I would have already had to drain my spa and refill it. With these, you only have to do it once a year. The maintenance on them is so minimal, I would highly recommend it. Our freshwater salt system is wonderful for any types of aches and pains you may have in your shoulders, your upper back, lower back. Like I said earlier, you can choose your seat, get the massage in any area that you want that is giving you issues. I enjoy all the seats. They all massage a different area, and it helps with any kind of muscle tension, any kind of pain. It's wonderful. We basically picked out what we wanted. He went over all the details with us, explained everything necessary and everything we needed to know about it, and that was the end of it. He ordered it, and a few weeks later, we got it delivered to our house. Again, my name is Patty Brown. I'm the proud owner of a Hotspring Spa. I'm a hot tubber, and I would highly recommend buying from American Pool and Spa if you ever desire one yourself. They are wonderful, easy to deal with, and my Hotspring Spa is everything that I ever wanted it to be.